This short-tempered, one-armed monkey named Xing Xing was accompanied by her grandmother for 16 years of spiritual practice. When she was young, a wild boar bit off her right hand. She had to search food from trash cans. The grandmother who lived in the temple took her in. The harsh life in the wild made Xing Xing aggressive. The grandmother would scold her, but Xing Xing, feeling misunderstood, run away and sit on a railing, sad and lonely. The grandmother would soothe her with delicious treats and gently patted its head, patiently taught her. Xing Xing forgave the grandmother and jumped into her arms. From that point on, Xing Xing began to show a smile. She became friendly toward every visitor, accepted food from visitors, taking only one piece. She would even walk down the mountain to bid farewell to visitors. Her friendly nature made her good friends with the temple cats. Would you like to visit the grandmother